Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Now, you have a G80 and you have the plastic box already mounted. I'm going to show you how to get rid of this box and replace it with our miniature plinth to get a nice clean finish. Let's get into it. So the problem is this. You've got a G80, the box has already been fitted by the dealership, but it's either too wide, showing all the plastic, or it's too narrow and it's showing all the bulkiness around it. Doesn't look great. So we have redesigned this box, which is this one. We call it our miniature plinth, and it goes back into the factory hole. I'll show you how to install it. First thing you're going to do is take out the 4 screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Now that you have the factory box off, you can use our miniature version, and it's designed to go back into the factory hole at the top. Now you will notice that there are 2 leftover holes. So in the kit, it comes with these little screws we can use to cover them up. Now that we have replaced the factory mounting box with our miniature plinth, it's time to match up a bracket to your number plate. Now, because our mounting system is of 2 parts, plinth to fit the car, you need to choose the bracket to match your number plate style. So for example, if you want to fit Heritage, you grab the bracket that goes on, followed by your plate. In this particular case, we're going to fit a 5-character Victorian Slimline. So I've got a bracket to suit. I'll bolt this on and this can go on straight after. It's worth mentioning that Euro plates are not recommended for G80s because they do get pretty close to the parking sensor. So if you have the option to resize this to a smaller size or avoid Euro plates in general so you don't have sensor issues. Now, installing brackets are quite easy. Just line up any of the slots that you want with the 2 pairs of mounted points on the car. This bottom one is actually center to the grille perfectly. So I'm going to line that with the center of my bracket and it'll be straight and level, perfect the first time. Bracket on. Now we can just simply mount the plate up to the matching holes on the bracket. But what we're going to do is customer has option for a cover. And what we're also going to do is we're going to bolt these down with not only our Allen keys, we're going to use our security keys, which means that you need a special key to install and remove the plates for anti-theft. And that's how you get rid of the plastic oversized factory mounting box to get a nice clean floating look like this. Just remember, you need 2 parts. You need a plinth, which replaces this, utilizing all the factory holes, and also a bracket to match your number plate style to complete the finish. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.